Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can decrease the font size of the menu items. So after watching this video or tutorial, you can learn or you will be able to do the increasing or decreasing of the font size in the menu in which size. So let's go ahead. So I have opened this site and just click on this design, click in the menu and then click on customize. After this, you can see there is the option of text here. Then as you can see, there is the option of theme. So you can just select any of these from heading 1 to heading 6 or and from paragraph 1 to paragraph 3. So I will just select paragraph 1 and as you can see by default it has taken 20. So if you want to decrease this, just enter the size number like this, or you can just drag this bar right there. So you can do whatever you want like this. So we have increased. So it was 20 earlier when we set to paragraph 1. Now you can see it's 9, 14, 16 like this. So you can keep whatever you want. But I will suggest that you just keep it like 20 or below that. Maybe if you want, you can do or add more than 20 as well. It's your choice. But for now, I will show you how you can keep it less than 20 like this, and it will be same size on over and click. Okay, so I hope you got this point and I hope you learned this. So stay tuned for new such videos. Thank you for watching this video.